Now let us study about the salient features of Indian agriculture. So the first feature is dependence on monsoons. Even though there has been an improvement in irrigation system, canal systems have been improved, multi-purpose projects have been set up by various states, but even to this date, the Indian farmers are still dependent on monsoons. And in the chapter of climate, you all had studied that the Indian monsoons are very unpredictable, they are unreliable. So sometimes they come early, sometimes they come late, sometimes they bring about a lot of rainfall, sometimes they give less rainfall. So because of this unpredictable nature of Indian monsoons, often the common farmers have to suffer. So this is one feature. A variety of crops are sown in India, which is mainly because of the difference in climatic conditions in different parts of the country. For instance, in Assam, tea is cultivated, in West Bengal, jute is cultivated. So, because of the difference in climatic conditions, we see a variety of crops being sown in different parts of the country. So, tropical, subtropical, temperate crops are all cultivated due to the variety of climate, difference in relief conditions, soil conditions. So all these have favored variety of crops. The next characteristic of Indian agriculture is preponderance of food crops. Preponderance means that there is over dependence or domination of cultivation of food crops, because the population of India is very large and it is ever growing. So there is a greater dependence or greater cultivation of food crops over other crops. So this is another characteristic of Indian agriculture. In India, different crops are grown in different seasons. So the three main types of crops are Kharif, Rabi and the Zaid crops. So uh, the Kharif season, children, in that the ground is prepared in April, May, and the seeds are sown in June on the arrival of rain, and harvesting is done in towards the end of September, October, and the major crops of this season are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton. Then the Rabi season, the crop is sown by the end of October or the beginning of November, and harvesting takes place in March. And the major crops include wheat, barley. Then we have the Zaid season. It is the summer cropping season in which crops like rice, maize, groundnut, vegetables, fruits are grown along with the pulses. So they are generally sown in March, April, and they are harvested by the beginning of June.